Vlog 70 starts off in Elizabeth Harbor, Georgetown. We spearfish, snorkel, and celebrate Easter. We then head down to Ruddercut Key, where we spend one night on the hook to get some sleep. From there, we sail all the way to Staniel Key to hang out with some sharks. So we slept for one night and got back on the move at about 7 o'clock. It's 10 now. We've been cruising at 3 knots. But luckily our destination is only 15 nautical miles away. We've already made up a lot of that. We are going to be arriving in Georgetown in about, how long would you say?
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half. We'll be in Georgetown.
All right, we are back in Georgetown at Sand Dollar Beach. It feels like a year ago that we were here. It was really just like a month, I think. It's beautiful. It's a little eerie because there's nobody out because of the curfew from the coronavirus. So usually you would see a ton of people over there on shore at like Chat and Chill. You'd hear music going, and almost every boat in this harbor would have at least 2 or 3 dinghies at the back because everybody just wants to hang and party and have a good time. But it's pretty lonely out here, but we're still glad to be here. It's a great place.
I made bread, guys. I'm actually planning on doing a video tutorial on how you can make bread very shortly, so stay tuned for that. I mean, by the time I get to this vlog, it'll probably be up, so go and check out that video right here. Watch the video and learn how to make amazing bread. How to make bread on a boat.
Jump again.
Yeah.
Right.
Round 1, cannonball. We are doing a jumping contest. Just Ethan versus Petey.
Biggest splash.
We are going for biggest splash. They say his specialty is the cannonball. And there it is! Next up, small splash. And you think you can compete with that?
Yes, because I'm gonna die.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good. All right, 2-0. What? Let's see these. What are we cooking up today?
Fried triggerfish.
Triggerfish.
Fried triggerfish sandwiches.
Wow.
Fried like cornflakes.
Yeah. Okay, so we've never tried the triggerfish, so this is gonna be a first time for us. What do you guys think of a triggerfish? Have you ever tried it? Let us know in the comments what you think. A lot of people say it's one of the most tastiest fish, so I'm looking forward to trying it. All right, get back to you when dinner is on the table. Some tartar sauce.
Yes, sir.
1 to 10 on this fish.
Oh man, I don't know. Well, I think I could cook it better than this. This was like just a quick job. So I'm thinking next time I do way better. For this time, maybe like a 7.
7. GoPro's at 21%. We're gonna see how much footage we can get of me scrubbing. Let's get scrubbing, guys. Look at the moon tonight, guys. Today is going to be the biggest moon of 2020. That's what they're saying. So, we're gonna time lapse it. I don't know how this is gonna turn out because GoPro time lapse never usually works for me, but let's hope this one works. Alright guys, today is the last day before the Bahamas goes on lockdown, so we're trying to spear some fish. Hopefully, get lucky. Alright, we just got back and we're beating the rain. Wow. That is amazing. We still got one more to do. And we still got fish out here. But those gotta wait for the lobster to finish because we don't have enough to fillet these guys right here. We only got one fillet knife that has a duct tape handle. A bigger knife, but that's being used for the lobster, and one cutting board. Gotta wait for these lobster to get done. Happy Easter, guys.
Okay, so there's 4 baskets here.
Oh.
Let me just...
Da-da-da-da.
Okay, there you go.
Wow, look at that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's awesome.
Or it may just be some things.
I got a no sugar Coke, or no?
Well, Exuma Market gave us no sugar Coke.
Thank
Happy
you, Mom.
Easter.
These peanuts are so good.
Here.
Okay.
Let me take my $20 back. Put it back in my wallet, please.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you really don't care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne, she cut your hair, and from the lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Ethan is reeling in a beast right now.
Oh, what's up?
No way!
Is he still on?
No way.
His nose came around.
It was a marlin.
Oh my god.
I saw it.
We are out of hooks. Marlin took the last. Confirmed it was a marlin.
I looked him in the eyes and then he cut the line with his nose.
All right, so tell us where we're coming in at right now.
This is the rudder cut. That's where, I think this is where we're pretty jagged. Got all that lobster.
We're gonna go today, but
I don't want to.
yeah. Oh man, it's a hot one today, guys. This calls for a dump from the ocean. I'm coming up on Staniel Key. I don't know if you can see it. It's over there. It's not even in. You gotta lock it in. There you go. Look at that, there's two.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going back on that raft tomorrow.